How we doing, Ecomi family? It is OhmDawg here coming at you with another price action update, and today we are going to be getting into, well, what's happened since last video, and a little bit of news action, see what's happening here today. So, with that being said, today is Tuesday, July 27th, 2021, and it is 3:59 a.m. on the East Coast of the United States. And we are looking at the Ecomi chart, and we're going to go ahead and pop the disclaimer up real quick. And with that being said, this is not financial advice. This video is for strictly educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I am not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the charts. So, as you can see, I have some of these areas from the past that we were looking at, but we have had that print down like we wanted, and we are currently sitting at 2620 or 0.002628. Currently looking to see if price is going to gather buyers' interest right here and get a little trade up, or if we're just going to continue to trade down throughout the day. So that's the big question here, and really I wanted to specify this video on sort of Bitcoin actually, and the recent news with what happened. We'll go ahead and dive into this price action real quick and why I see this happened in my opinion. So first off, we had the news that Amazon was going to potentially accept Bitcoin as a form of transaction, or as a form of payment, sometime within 2021. And so after that news, immediately price started shooting up. It shot up to about 40K, and then was denied that. I guess, what was that, earlier yesterday, I don't know what time, but the news came out that it was denied that price was going to, or not price, I'm sorry, that Amazon was not going to accept Bitcoin as a payment method, but they were interested in blockchain technology in the future. But this isn't any new news, we've heard this in the past before. It's just almost, I'd like to say, a pump and dump, just a reason to move price into an area, using news as an excuse. And what we've seen here is price moved into this area, creating, another lower high on the Bitcoin chart. And what that's telling me across the board is that we are indefinitely trading. We're indefinitely trading downwards to the downside on Bitcoin. But y'all know me. Anything could happen, but price could just, bust through. But I'm gonna count on this happening. I wouldn't even say count, but it just looks rather evident that this is gonna happen. And what that tells us in Ecomi is that we still have downside potential, and especially with Bitcoin moving so high and Ecomi not really reacting. When we saw that yesterday, Ecomi really did just this number right here and printed an upside target. I'm going to go ahead and point that out. There's a few of them though. Is market going to take them out before it continues to drop, or is it just going to leave it for later? And personally, I see stuff like this most likely for later. Remember, there's still all these little areas as well. Printing targets to the downside though is what I do like to see. It's been doing it this whole time. See all these areas, price is printing, and it's basically creating these areas so the market can come and hit them later on. Remember, this was the Comic-Con news. Took out these lows right here, relative equal lows. It's a pool of money sitting right there. Same thing's happening right here. It's creating lows in order to get buyers into the market. Remember, trading off of Google images. they're going to get buyers in the market. They might take them up. They might give them a little bit of pizza sauce on the toppings. And then what we would likely see if price did trade up was, if it doesn't do a quick grab up through here, it would just, drop or continue to drop, and probably not that low, probably just just continue breaking down and trading lower. But you never know, there could just be that massive dump into the market and price could really trade low just like that. Then we'll see, that buyer's correction again might come back up again, boom, trading low again, more bad news, FUD, etc. Yeah, that's pretty much what's happening with Omi right now and what's happening with Bitcoin. In my opinion, we're just going to trade lower on Omi, we're going to trade lower on Bitcoin. Remember, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Going to continue to keep our eyes open for that 15 whole price level. I'm actually technically aiming a tad lower, but we're just going to say that as a general area because we don't know how price is going to particularly print when it gets down here. And it's as the days goes by and as price continues to give us more information, it becomes more evident that this is more of a when, not an if. And so yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here and just leave you guys with the idea that we're going to remain, or most likely we're going to remain to trade to the downside with exception of manipulation to the upside. So yeah, we will go ahead and sign off for today, and we will catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully we can see some stuff happen. Also within the Veve world, there's no drops coming out soon. Also, I never dropped a video for the other Veve drops last week. I might just not post it, I'll just show y'all. I might pull up a clip on here of the NFT I did happen to get. It was pretty cool. It was the DeLorean Back to the Future Mondo. Happened to be a low mint, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here and stop wasting you guys' time. This is OhmDawg. I will go ahead and catch you guys later in the next video.
Nah, I ain't tripping on no bitch ass nigga. We done hit a nigga in the 6-pack of the shit bag, nigga. Let's go. The judge wanna see me sit back, but it's probably cause his daughter wanna fuck with her little thick ass. My rich ass don't kiss ass.
I'm the definition of what these niggas can't find. Pistol packing, happy times, dreaming about slanging some mine. Hey, how you feel? I'm chasing money, trying to catch up on time. I ain't never changed, I'm still the same. I put that Glock to your mind. Bitch, we die to live. Give a fuck about no Grammy, long as my son grow to be real. That heavy metal on rockin' out, bitch, I'm known to keep that still. Since I was 9 to the time, ring, I gave the jet too many years. But I'm a young rich ass nigga. Check how I floss forever ball. Pay for rolls, my son got Lambos and all. I'm sorry, mama, I've been hurting, ain't taking time out the car. Not even praying about the bed.